Hello everyone. So this is the second episode of the watchdog style AI distraction tutorial I'm working on. Here what we do is we hack some object, and when we hack the object it makes some noise and NPCs go there and search it. So thereby creating some window for player to move into certain locations, sneak into certain places, things like that. So this is the second episode. In the previous episode we worked on that method where we show that button E. When I press E, we can interact with that object, we can hack it and make a noise. It's like an alarm, so we can trigger remotely. If I press A, now shows the sounds the alarm, and then NPC guy goes there and check it, and if not, it goes back to the original location. And I can actually do that again if needed. See? So yeah, this is the simple AI distraction behavior with hacking. This is what we are going to work on today. And before we get started, let me remind you that you can download the project files of this project and all of the thousands of projects I have done in my channel from the veteran page. Once you become a member, you can download anything without any limits, so feel free to check it out. I'll leave the link in description below. And now let's get back to today's episode. Alright, so this is what we have implemented so far. If I look away, that E disappears, but if I look at it, the E is there, so we can interact with it like this. And if I move away from it, you can see again the E is gone because we are no longer able to interact with that. Okay, so next step is making an NPC character interact or react to that alarm. Okay, so first thing is, let's create some example NPC as the child of this third person character. Call it PP NPC. Okay, so open it, and I need to have two colors so that we can easily identify. Okay, so I duplicated these materials and changed the colors and assigned it to the NPC. So you can use any color you want, it doesn't really matter. And also, now where is my character again? Let me drag and drop it here. And also, to allow NPC character to move around, let's add the narrow mesh, bounce volume, let's enlarge it like this. The navigation mesh all around the place. Okay, now right now it will not do anything, so I'll just make it wait over there. Press P to the nav mesh visibility. Okay, so here, no, maybe here. Let's add a folder called AI, and let's create a new class that is a child of AI controller. Basic AI controller, AI NPC. Okay, now let's also add a behavior tree like this. PT NPC, and also let's add a blackboard pp NPC. Now over the behavior tree, let's assign this bb NPC blackboard. Yeah, it's assigned. Okay. Now here let's add a select. In the selector, I'll add a sequence. So this would be just a regular duty. So I'll call it duty, whatever it could be. Under this, it could be like free roaming or random movement, patrolling, anything. And I'll add another sequence. Let's call it search. Okay. Now we need a key. We need a way to determine which which branch we should go. So for that, here is blackboard. I'll add a variable noise location. So this would be, I want to determine this noise. I want to register when the NPC hears this alarm noise. I want to register as this noise location. So then NPC should go to the noise location and wait there a bit and go back like searching, like a searching pattern basic. So here let's add a decorator, a blackboard decorator, and here let's say is set noise location. Oh, sorry, is not set. If the noise location is not set, we can have the duty. But here, let me copy and paste. If noise location is set, then we need to search. So what we need to do is move to noise location and then wait some random time, say 5 seconds, so 3 to 7 seconds when the deviation is 2. And then we need to clear this blackboard value. How do I clear it? Maybe we might need a custom task for this. pt task. Yeah. Okay, here. Receive execute AI. And let's add a variable from the type blackboard key selector. Key. And then clear blackboard value. Execute with a success. Okay. Now pt task clear blackboard value. Oh, we can't pass the value because this is not visible. Now I can. Nice location. Okay, so this is the searching. Search, and this is duty. So duty would be maybe move around the same location or just wait. Let's just make it wait for 5 seconds and then wait again. So basically nothing. And here in the AI NPC, which I created here. I'll call run behavior tree pt npc. That's what we need to use. Compile, and here open my npc, and we can assign AI controller AI npc. Okay, so now I run the game, go here. Now you see this branch is executing because npc is not doing anything. So now let's add some perception. Right now I don't need anything, just hearing perception, just to demonstrate how to make the npc react to the sound. So let's config. I'll add hearing config, and here we need to enable all these things. And as the dominant sense, I'll set AI sense hearing. It doesn't have a side perception here. I could add it just like I add this hearing perception, side perception as well, but I don't need to do that. Right now, hearing range 3000. Okay, that should be fine. Now, here on target perception updated. Here, let's add a print string, and let's print this heard, and then this whoever this actor's name who did the sound. Well, actually, we don't even need that. We can just like this and print this stimulus location. So heard is, and I'll make it stay in the screen for like 10 seconds so we have enough time to read. Now this NPC should be able to hear things, and next step is making the noise. So here, let me open the hackable object, and this is what I did. When I press E, play this sound, and widget set hidden game. So here I'll also make noise. Yeah, make noise. And here's the noise instigator. I'll get player. As I remember, we need to have a player instigator, otherwise it doesn't work. Location, get back to location. And the max range, let's set it to 2000. Loudness 1. Okay, now if I go here and press E, and if this NPC hear the noise, I should see noise heard at and the location. Noise at and the location. So NPC did hear that. Okay, so to make things a bit more interesting, I'll move it like this. So it looks like my player is invoking the sound while covering. Okay, now all we need to do is making the NPC move to that location. So to do that, here we can set blackboard. Oh, we need to get blackboard first. blackboard, set blackboard value, set value as vector, key name, name, and the name should be same as this noise location, because that's what we are going to set, and stimulus location like this. Now NPC is over there, noise, but it's not moving. Oh, it does. See, it's going there. But why did it move? Anyway, that's fine. Maybe it's not reachable. This point is above ground, so it's not reachable. So it's reaching some location closer to this, so that might be what happens here. So anyway, it's just fine. I don't need to polish the behavior here. I just need to demonstrate how to make the NPC react. So maybe after we check it here, we can wait 3 to 7 seconds, and then maybe we can ask the NPC to go back to its original location. So we can do it like this. Here, let's add another key, the vector, initial location. So we need the character to go back to initial location, and then clear this. So here, one more thing. If we want the character to react soon, instantly, here, if the execution is around here, unless we have this on result change, if we have none, the character will still wait for this to complete before going into this behavior. But if I want to instantly react to that, here, let's do this. Now it should instantly react once he heard the noise. And also we need to initialize this initial location. That can be done here. Yeah. Blackboard. Vector. Initial location is tactile location, and the key name with the name. Alright. Now let's try again. NPC is over there. Let's hack. It's going to check. And he should go back. It didn't go back. Why it didn't go back? Oh, given the noise location again. So initial location. This should be. I moved this a little bit downward. Why is it moving there? Okay, it works now. All I did is just move this down a little bit and move it away a little bit. So maybe it regenerated the nav mesh. So here, now the behavior should be correct. Okay, go in there, check in it, and wait a second, and going back. Okay, so that's basically all I want to do in this episode. So thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available here for download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And see you in another episode. Goodbye.